Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the slide clasp on your vintage or modern men's Seiko quartz watch. As you can see here, we have this mesh bracelet and we have this system right here that has this sliding clasp mechanism that can be moved up and down. So what we are going to need is either a flat screwdriver. This is most likely something that you can find around your house, or in case you have the basic watchmaker toolkit, you can definitely go and use the spring bar removal tool. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this exact basic watchmaker toolkit. So what you want to do is to take your tool, in my case the flat screwdriver, and insert it right here where we have this small opening. And now I'm going to pry it upwards and open the clasp. Make sure to push this flap all the way, and then you can adjust the slide clasp up and down. Once you have reached the correct measurement, simply push this clasp all the way down. In case you are unable to do so, make sure to move it just a tiny bit to the left or to the right and try again, because sometimes it needs to be a perfect fit. Sometimes it has some certain grooves on the back of the mesh bracelet for other models, so this is going to be an easy way to do it. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next, and also if you found this video useful, and if you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.